Have you ever noticed that your stomach may feel off when you're stressed? Maybe you're gassing, maybe you're bloating, or even some acid reflux, or even your IBS symptoms suddenly begin to flare up. Well, that's not a coincidence. That's called the gut brain connection in action. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dr. Erica Steele, and I am a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field. They're all in the natural healthcare space. And if you've been dealing with stress related gut issues, this week is a part of our week 6 of Intro to Holistic Medicine course, where we explore how stress impacts digestion as well as our metabolism. You can still register for this self-paced course. Go ahead and click link in the bio. It is a free course. However, if you want to join that or any of our wellness collectives, there is a fee. Our wellness collectives are a way for you to really get into deep learning, including at-home testing, as well as some personalized protocols. So definitely check that out. All right, so 70% of the immune system is located in the digestive tract, making stress a key trigger to inflammatory processes as well as chronic diseases. And we know from NIH and the gut-brain axis that also people with higher stress levels are twice as likely to suffer from IBS, bloating, and acid reflux. And that was founded by the American Gastroenterological Association. So, and we know that stress affects our digestion. Stress actually can lower our stomach acid production, which then affects our protein digestion and really affects our nutrients overall, because now we're not able to break those proteins down into aminos. So leading to nutrient deficiencies and, of course, the gassing and bloating of those large protein molecules going undigested, generating lots of yeast. But it also disrupts our gut bacteria or gut dysbiosis, which is an imbalance in bacteria, and that leads to leaky gut, food sensitivities, and autoimmunity. So this continued stress and cortisol dumping into the digestive system really can take a toll. In fact, that higher cortisol leads to that slower digestion and higher inflammatory rate, because we know that stress actually weakens that gut-brain barrier and allows toxins and undigested food into the bloodstream. Last week, we talked about leaky gut, and this is all within that same wheelhouse. So what are the healing strategies that are available? So we really want to cut stress off by the source, but also we want to create more resilience, more stress-related strategies to help us to fight stress, because let's face it, stress isn't going to go away. Now, when we're looking at really taking care of ourselves with our eating, we want to really be mindful with our eating. So if you're part of our Intro to Holistic Medicine, we're starting our 30 days to mindful eating. And so really this is where that comes in handy. Really having some deep breathing before your meals actually activates that parasympathetic system. Mindful eating helps the digestion start in the mouth and allows for proper chewing. It allows you to slow everything down. And then adding a lot of gut healing foods like fermented foods, like some digestive bitters and anti-inflammatory herbs, broths, and things like that can really help to heal the digestive system. So what's your biggest struggle when you're stressed, right? Are you a person that loves to eat everything, or are you a person that tends to not eat anything? I know a lot of people, they have different ways that they deal with stress when it comes to food, but let's talk about how we can really re-regulate our nervous system so that regardless of what we're experiencing, we're able to nourish ourselves for years to come.